This video showcases the dedicated efforts of the officials from the Department of Wildlife Conservation, who extended their help to a massive creature in distress. The giant animal had fallen victim to a horrifying trap gun, leaving it crippled and with embedded bullet particles in its legs. Witness the compassionate intervention of the wildlife conservation team as they provide aid to this majestic creature, highlighting their commitment to preserving and protecting the wildlife. This unfortunate elephant has suffered from a crippled leg since childhood, likely due to an accident in the forest or being caught in a snare. Despite his disability, he managed to find his daily sustenance. However, his plight worsened when he fell victim to a trap gun set by heartless hunters, resulting in severe injuries to his legs. It is truly heartbreaking to witness the immense suffering of this majestic creature as it limps with great difficulty, enduring the pain of bullet wounds in its leg. Based on the information provided by the villagers, the dedicated team of wildlife officers ventured into the forest in search of the injured elephant. The officers successfully located the elephant and administered sedation to keep it in a standing position. After conducting the initial investigation and gathering background information from the villagers, the veterinary surgeon confirmed that the elephant was indeed suffering from injuries caused by a trap gun. A trap gun is a locally crafted, victim-activated firearm, constructed using metal parts as ammunition and gunpowder. The metal ammunition is propelled upon explosion when the elephant inadvertently triggers the cord of the trap gun, becoming embedded in the flesh of the animal. Hence, the veterinary surgeon determined that the embedded bullet particles needed to be located and removed in order to eliminate the root cause of the elephant's suffering, thereby facilitating a complete recovery for the animal. The officers have commenced the process of taking X-rays to identify the precise location in the elephant's legs where the bullet particles are embedded. They utilized a portable X-ray machine for this purpose. The officers are handling the elephant with the utmost care and respect, prioritizing the well-being of the animal. To prevent the elephant from getting shocked during the treatment process, they took precautions by covering its eyes with a black cloth. One officer can be seen holding a stick to keep the covering cloth in place. After pinpointing the precise locations in the left front leg where the bullet particles were lodged, the veterinary surgeon cautiously initiated the removal process. Firstly, the injured area was cleaned thoroughly with a saline solution. Abscesses were present in the areas where the bullets were embedded. The skilled veterinarian surgically opened the abscesses, drained the pus, and removed the necrotic tissues. Cotton swabs were utilized to soak and remove the accumulated pus. Following the drainage, the embedded bullet particles were carefully extracted using forceps. After meticulously cleaning the wound, draining the abscess, and removing the bullet fragments, the veterinary surgeon is now preparing to treat the wound. Povidone iodine was infused into the wound hole using a medicine infusion gun. Povidone iodine assists in the healing of elephant wounds by thoroughly disinfecting the injured area, eliminating harmful bacteria, and preventing infection. Furthermore, it promotes wound healing by reducing inflammation and supporting the natural healing process, ultimately facilitating the recovery of the elephant's wound. This gentle giant is enduring immense suffering due to a heartless trap gun. Retaining the bullet particles within the flesh, scattered by the explosion, poses a significant threat to the elephant. The presence of foreign objects, particularly metal fragments, can result in infections as bacteria adhere to the metal, leading to localized or systemic infections that could be life-threatening if not promptly addressed. Luckily, the elephant was fortunate enough to encounter this group of saviors who provided timely and crucial treatment. They have attended to the injuries in the hind leg and face as well, providing necessary treatment and care. The elephant's treatment is ongoing with continuous care planned. The most crucial steps, including removing the bullet fragment, draining the abscess, and dressing the wound, have been completed. We assure you that the next phase of the treatment will be provided soon. Stay with us to receive updates on the progress of this incredible giant.